What's up, Signal community? My name is Derek, and I am the founder of BetSignal.com. And today we are going to be discussing the math behind becoming a professional sports bettor. So most people think that professional sports bettors are just really good at picking winners, and to be honest, they're not. In fact, many professional bettors only win around 53 to 55% of their bets at most. So how do they make hundreds of thousands or even millions of dollars every year? The answer isn't luck, and it's certainly not getting secret information. The answer is simply math. Today I'm going to show you the simple math behind professional sports betting and how BetSignal.com was built to help you automate that process. So here's where almost everyone gets it wrong. Recreational bettors ask, who do I think is going to win? While professional bettors ask, is this the wrong price? Those are completely different questions. Imagine someone offered to sell you a $100 bill for $95. Would you buy it? Of course you would. Not because you need another $100 bill, because it's worth more than what they're asking you to pay. Sports betting works exactly the same way. Every wager has a true mathematical value. If sportsbooks make a mistake and you consistently buy those mistakes, eventually the math is going to win. So here I'm showing you the positive EV, or positive expected value page, that we have on BetSignal.com. So what does positive EV mean? Let's use a simple example. Suppose a team has a 55% chance that they're going to win, but a sports book has priced them as though they only have a 50% chance to win. That difference between 55% and 50% creates value. So maybe you lose tonight, and that's completely possible. But if you made that same exact wager over 10,000 bets, you're gonna make money. And that's exactly how professional bettors think. They don't evaluate whether today's bet wins. They evaluate whether today's bet had positive expected value. And here's where it gets really interesting. You don't need enormous edges. Let's assume you average only 5% edge. That's it. If your average wager is $100 and every bet is worth about $5 in a long-term expected profit, some bets are going to lose, some bets are going to win, but over thousands of bets, the expected profit becomes very real. Professional bettors don't chase jackpots. They collect small mathematical advantages time after time again. So now let's talk about the income math. Let's say your goal as a professional sports bettor is to replace a $5,000 a month income. So that's about $60,000 per year. If your average edge is 5% and your average wager is $100, each wager is expected to generate roughly $5 in long-term profit. That means to earn $5,000 a month, you need approximately 1,000 wagers. Now, I know that sounds like a lot, but until you realize that many professional sports bettors place dozens of wagers every single day. Increase your bankroll, increase your average wager size, improve your average edge, and those numbers change dramatically. It's not guessing, guys. It's pure mathematics. This is exactly why I built BetSignal.com. Instead of spending hours comparing sports books, calculating fair odds, removing the vigorish, and hunting for value, BetSignal.com does that work for you automatically. We compare sports books, calculate true odds, identify positive expected value opportunities, track your performance, monitor closing line value, and show betting splits. We help you focus on what actually matters, finding mathematically profitable wagers. So, if it's your goal to become a professional sports bettor, Stop asking who's going to win tonight. It doesn't matter. You need to start asking, is the bet worth more than what the sports book is charging me? That's the question professionals ask every single day. If you'd like to see how BetSignal.com works, start a free trial or reach out to me directly. I'd be happy to walk you through the platform personally. Thanks for watching and good luck finding value.